And education officials expect the K-12 program to help raise the quality of formal learning in the country and be at par, if not surpass, the ASEAN region's educational standard. The full story from Emil Carreon.
To any credible education is important. This is the government's vision in implementing K-12, a step towards a higher standard of education. Through the daily radio TV show Radyo Vision Media ng Bayan, the University of Perpetual Help System Delta, through the partnership of CHED or the Commission on Higher Education, discussed the benefits of K-12. The terminal end is to be at par or even surpass the ASEAN region's level of educational standard.
Yung curriculum po ng ating pamantasan ay naapektuhan dahil ito po ibang mga subjects or kurso ay pupunta dun sa grade 11 and grade 12. So yung mga ibang mga kurso na ito or subjects na naririyan sa first year and second year ay mawawala na iba dun sa, at yung ating mga guro din ay mawawalan rin ng ituturo doon sa first year and second year ng kolehiyo. Tertiary, pero mabibigyan rin naman sila doon sa grade 11 and 12.
Talagang pinapa-analyze na yung mga preparations dyan, ano? Salungat nga sa mga sektor dyan, ibang mga politician, hindi naman totoo.
To be the leader in education is no less than the target of the Aquino administration in the ASEAN region. Though fiery bashers and critics reigned, there was no letting go. Private educational institution did not count the drop in number of enrollees. More important is to attain higher international educational standards.
Every year, nag-a-apply kami for tuition fee increase, pero hindi namin ini-implement po. Dahil yan po ay ginagawa ng dahil baka magkakaroon ng mandatory increase in salary. So parang namin yon. Pero dahil may binigyan po kami, lalong-lalo pagbibigay ng tuition fee increase na ito, mayroon mga guidelines na kailangan mo sasubmit yon January pa lamang. So kung hindi ka mag-submit at hindi ka mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na mag-increase. So wala po kaming increase.
Ang DepEd ay may nakalaang at least 60,000 na mga teachers na i-hire sa CAM 2016-2017. Kung kaya't yung sinasabi nilang may madi-displace, sa tingin ko ay napakadami yung ma-absorb pa dyan.
Anything new is utmostly feared. A step towards the unknown is a leap into a better horizon. Oftentimes, human organizations fail because of refusal to leave the comfort zones, but taking the road less traveled is the path to greater success. Reporting for the People's Television, this is Emil Carreon.